Senator, you filed the Eman against the legal passage. Why did you call for that?
Actually, yung official name is Anti-Online Hate and Harassment Bill. No? Yung nickname niya for awareness and for easier understanding is the Eman Atienza Bill. No? Siguro ko personal experience. I've had 4 friends na nagpakamatay, nag-suicide yung mga sons or daughters nila. And anyway, as a result of yung fear of backlash of online and social media, parang nakakalungkot kasi nga medyo fragile yung mga bata ngayon na talagang buhay nila yung social media. And we don't want another son or daughter na sumunod na naman kay Eman. And kaya natin ginawang Eman Atienza, not because para sa akin sitwasyon, pero he was an advocate of mental health, no? Awareness, and yung online safe space. Kaya siya nag-advocate yun eh. So, kaya I just think that it's just fitting that it be named after her. Actually, ang unang nag-file ko si Congressman Albi Benitez House, and then he asked me to file a counterpart measure sa Senate, which I filed kasi I'm very close to Kuya Kim. Almost every day kami magkasama niyan. Nagkakape bago kami mag-workout, mag-motor. So, and I have seen the anguish of all the parents, itong mga 4 kong kaibigan, personal friends, na talagang hindi na yan makaka-move on eh. It will always be there, no? Gagaan ng konti yung pain, but it will always be there. Kaya alam ko kung gaano kasakit to. And we do not want another child or to be lost because of online hate and harassment. So, ito, I just thought na at least, magkaroon din awareness yung mga tao na, we just have to, in the words of Eman, a little kindness every day, no? Diba? There's just too much hate already.
Ano pong sabi ni Kuya Kim tungkol dito?
Actually, nung dinraft ko ito, kakalipad lang niya eh. Tinext ko siya. Sabi ko, what do you think of the idea of filing an anti-online hate bill? Kami ni Congressman Albi Benitez will be filing. Tinatanong niya kung pwedeng i-pangalan na to be called also as an Eman Atienza Bill. So I just want your permission sa Unifeli. So, maya-maya, sumagot na siya. Sabi niya, of course bro, thank you very much. Sabi ni Feli. So, kaya when they arrived, nandito na, I handed them over the copy of the bill, no? Na may number na. So, yun. Very thankful naman si Feli and Kim. I hope, sabi nga lang, her death wouldn't be in vain. Sana ito na yung maging simula na talaga yung awareness and kontrahin yung hate, too much hate and harassment sa social media.
Konting details lang siya. Ngayon naman ng mga
Well, ang maraming sasabi kasi meron ng redundant anti-cyberbullying na. Pero kasi in this bill, particularly, it defines yung what is hate and harassment. So magkakaroon din ng karampatang mga penalties. Siguro i-deactivate yung mga accounts kung talagang mapapatunayan. Pero kung sino man, ano man, paano yung mechanics ito, that we will find out. We will invite stakeholders, yung mga experts, of course. Kasama na rin yung mga psychiatrists, psychologists, who would know more or in authority to talk about mental health. Kasi hindi naman natin linya yan. So, lang to? This is just a draft bill. Wala pang final. So, we have to hear the opinions of the experts and the stakeholders.
Senator JB, what?
Gano'ng katagal po kayo?
Well, ang realistic ko na isang bill, at least about 2 years bago makapasa. Kasi both houses pa, magkakaroon ng 3 hearings pa yan. So, very tedious, matagal ng lawmaking. So, pero sana, because of the, I would say that, yung pong cyberbullying, online hate, harassment is a clear and present danger affecting all young people of the day. Kaya ako, syempre may anak din ako, 2 bata na bata pa syempre worried din ako. Ayokong masubject nila sa ganun. And baka damdamin masyado, nakakatakot. Kasi nga, as I mentioned, iba ang ano ngayon, mga bata. Mas fragile sila. Mas marupok sila kumpara sa atin na nabuhay na nung wala pang social media.
Senator JB, what can you say regarding the opinions of netizens na we should be going after the root cause, which is yung pagiging mahal nga ng mental health care, and if plans to file a bill to lower the health care?
Well, that's the reason,
Yeah.
sabay-sabayan natin na ipasa. I principally authored and sponsored the Universal Healthcare Law, yung National Integrated Cancer Control Act, kasi mahal din ang cancer.
Yes.
No, at least with the passage of this bill, merong cancer assistance fund, research para bumaba yung cost ng cure ng cancer. Kasama rin yung national, yung itong mental health law 2019 with the aim of establishing mental health units in selected hospitals, no, public hospitals, para lahat magkaroon ng access kahit sa probinsya. And hopefully, ang key naman dito is funding. No, na hopefully with that happened to Eman, it help create awareness, magkakaroon tayo ng suporta ngayon kung sakaling we will make an amendment na lang to augment yung mental health law para madagdagan yung pondo for those mabigyan ng assistance, those who would need help. Kasi kailangan siguro sa atin awareness din sa ating mga Pilipino that it's okay not to be okay. Sabi nga na hindi masamang pumunta sa psychologist, sa psychiatrist, to seek counseling kasi minsan hindi pa hindi pa accepted sa atin yun. Akala pag pupunta ka sa psychologist, psychiatrist, baka isipin meron kang something, di ba? Hindi yun, no? Dapat malaman na we have to educate everybody na pag meron tayong problema, it's okay to seek mental counseling, to seek psychiatrist or psychological help para at least ma-overcome natin yung mental health issues.
San JB, kayo po, how do you take care of your mental health?
Siguro para mabawasan, siguro I'm in politics. I'm also subject to online bullying, harassment. Tinitignan ko na lang yung reaction pag kung may social media, hindi ko na binabasa yung comments kasi naapektuhan ka para mabawasan yung toxicity. Life is already toxic as it is because of the situation now. So, para mabawasan, huwag na lang kayo magbasa masyadong comments. Madalas naman okay naman. So, but that's life. Parang ganun Titignan mo na yung reactions pag marami talaga yung likes. And so happy ka na nun. Diba? Talagang, meron kasi talagang iba parang basta lang may masabi. Yun na nakakasakit doon na sana mabawasan natin. Let us learn from what Eman has espoused and advocated. Let us give a little kindness every day. Yun lang. There's just too much hate already in social media. Okay.